A very, very warm welcome and a good afternoon to Cheshire Cars' first video of 2023. Goodness me, we've been busy up and down the country trying to purchase cars just like I've got for you here. This is a 2018 one private owner, wait for this, 11,800 miles, Fiat 124 Spider petrol Lusso in fashion grey. Doesn't she look absolutely stunning? I can't believe how much money you're not going to pay to own a car like this. Unbelievable, completely unbelievable. For those of you that know, the 124 Spider was produced in conjunction with the Mazda MX-5, so a lot of the characteristics of the Mazda, the two-seater fantastic handling soft top convertible, is on the 124, and we had the pleasure of driving the car back from Dumfries and Galloway up in the Scottish west side of the country. So we had a fantastic drive back, and heated seats, reverse camera, these lovely sandblasted powder coated alloy wheels. We've changed them from silver to the hybrid black, so they are better than new. I'll show you those in a moment. There's the odd stone chip we touched in, and I mean the odd stone chip. Absolutely beautiful car. The bonnet, look at the bonnet. Goodness me, look at that bonnet. Neil says it's like an Aston Martin. I'm not sure about an Aston Martin, but you know, that's what he thinks. And the grille, well, probably he's not far off, is he? He's not far off the. It has drawn some of design lines from probably Aston Martin, although we wouldn't be able to say that if we were selling Fiats full time, would we? But as we're not a main dealer, we can say that. But what a car! SC18YBE. It's Fiat's powerful T-Jet engine, producing 140 brake horsepower, so it's more than capable, more than enough brake horsepower for this vehicle. You have leather seats, and they are heated, of course. How about that for an interior? Doesn't that look splendid? You have cruise control and speed limiter. It's a manual 6-speed gearbox. The heated electric wing mirrors, remote locking, push button start. And look at these wheels. John Wilkinson, Stephen and the team there have done us proud once again. Look at those wheels. We even asked them to paint in the hubs and the calipers, which they do. What a great job. All round great job. So they have been sandblasted and powder coated this hybrid black, and they look absolutely splendid. Tyres all in great condition. Bridgestones, I believe. Potenza. Is it Potenza? Yes, I think it's Potenza. Just about to run the car over to our workshop partners who will inspect and examine the car. It's currently MOT until July, and it's been serviced every year from 1 year old with a local independent dealer, and we have all the paper receipts plus the service book and handbook. It's lovely silver here around the windscreen, and you've got more silver on the hoops just there. We have put substantial photographs in our advertisement, so please have a look through some of our pictures, if not all of them. It's a beautiful car. It's actually in, we've had one or two MX-5s in this shape, and I have to say I think this is a nicer looking car. And I'm not just saying that, I really do think that the Fiat 124 Spider is a much nicer car than the MX-5 in terms of looks. So I know you're going to be saying no chance, no it's not, no I love my MX-5. Well, you're buying an MX-5 but you're not paying MX-5 money. So who can buy a car like this with such a small mileage on for so little? There's the camera, and there's some giveaways at Mazda. These identification plates are all Mazda, and it's the way of the world these days, isn't it, with the car production being shared. Look at that. How is that? I'm going to try and open the door and go into the car. Now, we offer UK delivery, and we've offered the service for nearly 12 years. Well, 12 years it will be this year. So we have had a lot of success with our free delivery. You don't pay a full balance, you pay a small deposit of 250, and then either myself or Neil will drive east, west, north or south to your address. We charge £1 per mile to get to you. We don't charge you to come back, so we're really giving you 50% off what it should be. So it's £1 a mile from postcode to postcode. Or come up and have a look at the car, drive it here, I'll put some fuel in, and you can go back home once you've agreed it is exactly as we say it is, which it will be. We've been retailing cars for 27 years during 2023, and we have a 5-star Google, Facebook and Auto Trader review with our customers, so our reviews are at a 5-star level. Please do take a look at some of the reviews. So we offer finance and part exchange, so if you have a need to finance it, we can finance the car for you. Also, if you wish to exchange a car, we'll give you a fair price on that. And indeed yesterday it's what we did for someone in Sunderland who is coming down next week to pick up his new BMW. We're also very much of an Italian themed company. We do a lot of a bar, 595 and 695, so have a look at our website if you fancy something a bit different. I know this is different, but have a look. You might fancy an Abarth, I don't know, or know someone who does. We also buy cars for cash, so if you are selling a car or know someone who is, please offer the car to us. We have a website at www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk, and on that takes about 3-4 minutes to fill out the form and some information. I'll get back to you with a very good offer. Air conditioning all working. There's the fans, there's a direction of the flow, 6-speed manual gearbox. Let me show you the reverse camera. Just go back to the screen. You see the camera just there, that's it. I won't put it into first. I was tempted to put it into first gear and I've got one leg in and one leg out. Heated seats, you've got 3-stage seat heating, automatically goes to 3, you press it down to 2 and 1 and off. 2 USBs, and you can play music from your device through the car speakers, either cabled up or wirelessly through Bluetooth. 11,867 miles, absolutely guaranteed. Did buy from the owner Philip, had it from brand spanking new, and is really looked after it and not done the mileage, as you can see. So reluctant sale, but nevertheless he has agreed the sale, and then we have the car, as you can see, sitting with us. There is the cruise and speed limiter. That's to answer a phone, to end the phone call. Only do so when it's safe and legal to do so, of course. There's the volume. It's navigation, and you can also use your phone through Google Maps if you wish, and I'm sure that will play through the speakers also, although we haven't tried that, but I'm pretty confident. There's the eye control for the media. It's got DAB digital radio, so you just choose which you want to go into, navigation, and then it will play the navigation, and you can adjust that as well. As you can see, bring that up, and then you can just choose a new destination, and then you can find address, and then again off you go. So you've got the general gist of that. Let's just put it back onto the map. There you go. So TomTom, it'll be a TomTom system, I would imagine. TomTom navigation. Lots of little cubby holes in this car. As I say, there's no smells, no tobacco or animal odours. I mean, you wouldn't probably keep an animal in here, would you? I don't suppose. Philip was married, so himself and his wife, and that was it, I guess. So a very nice car, and lovely leather seat, well, leather effect seats. And here you hear the speakers coming through behind your ear as a driver, but also if someone was to ring you, you would hear them speaking to you through this here, either side of your ear, or head, sorry, not ear. You have a lockable glove box, which is at the back in between here. It's quite deep, and you go all the way in there, and then you can lock it. That's the roof. It's very straightforward. Did you see that? I'll just do it again for you. So it's in lock position. You have a small wind deflector. Bring the handle up, manually put the roof across, and we just twist around. I'm doing this whilst holding the camera. Oh, just a second. There we go. Very easy to do, and you can do it sat in your seat from the car. So you're able to put the roof up or down. The only thing with putting it down, of course, is that you have to latch it in at height. If you're travelling at speed, I recommend you latch the roof lock. So you might have to have the passenger to do that, but you won't need to exit the car. So that's our 2018. I nearly said MX-5 Fiat 124 Spider, Lusso, petrol, 11,867 miles, looking very, very splendid in fashion grey metallic. We hope to hear off you very, very soon. Something tells me this car won't be around many weeks, if at all weeks. I would imagine within days this car will have found a new owner. So that's it. Have a great day. There'll be more from us in the coming weeks, or the days actually. We've got an Abarth, a Q2 and another Abarth to go on sale. So watch out for those 3 cars, and give us a like on our YouTube channel. It's just gone past 1 million views. We have almost 1,600 subscribers, so also give us a like and a subscribe at Cheshire Cars YouTube. But that's all for now. Have a fantastic day, and we will speak to you, I think it will be next week now. May squeeze another car this week, but we're very pernickety, aren't we? So we know, those of you that follow us will know just how pernickety we are. So we get the cars looking like this, and it does take hours upon hours upon hours of dedication, hard work and thought. I'm David Bilsborough. My company is Cheshire Cars, based in Crewe in Cheshire.